Hi friends, this is Gayatri. Welcome to our channel Gayatri Sanad's Kitchen.
The Arabic cuisines are often centuries old, and it reflects the culture of great trading in herbs and spices. One of such cuisine is Mutton Kabsa. It is a Saudi Arabian dish specially cooked during Ramadan. Let's see how to cook Mutton Kabsa. Required ingredients are ginger paste, shredded orange peel, 1 spoon pepper powder, half spoon clove powder, 1 spoon cinnamon powder, 1 spoon cardamom powder, 2 medium onion chopped, butter, dried lemon, green chillies, coriander leaves, 2 medium tomato chopped, tomato paste, 1 kg mutton, 3 glasses soaked basmati rice. For topping, boiled and peeled almonds, raisins. Let's see the preparation. Keep a pan, add oil to it. Then add butter. Add onions, saute it. Then a pinch of salt to cook fast. Once onions are cooked, add ginger paste, saute it. Then add green chillies and mutton. Add salt. Mix it well. Put the lid on. Keep mixing in between. After some time, add shredded orange peel, pepper powder, clove powder, cinnamon powder, cardamom powder, coriander leaves and dried lemon. Mix it well. Add tomato paste and tomatoes. Mix it. Keep the lid on. Let it cook in a slow flame. Keep mixing in between. Now pour 6 glasses of water. Add salt. Mix it well. If the mutton is not tender, you can boil this mixture in the pressure cooker. Adjust the salt. Keep the lid on. Once it comes to boiling, simmer it and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Once mutton is cooked, remove the mutton from water. And add soaked basmati rice. Mix it. Put the lid on. Now for topping, take a pan, pour some oil and add almonds. Stir it. Add raisins. Check the rice. Once it is 70% cooked, simmer it. Once the toppings are red, take it into a plate. In the same pan, add some oil, add mutton pieces, dry roast it for a while with lid on. Check the rice. Once it is cooked, switch off the flame, take it into a plate. Add the mutton pieces on the top of it. Now add toppings, almonds and raisins. Our delicious mutton kabsa is ready. Hope you will try at home and enjoy the Arabic recipe mutton kabsa. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe to the channel, like, share, do comment and hit the bell icon for more awesome recipes.